was at home again beside the stream. Then you walked past me and you saw me and smiled. I will never forget the first time when I saw you.
Magkuhan tayo, explore tayo dito sa gorge, parang Happy Gorge. Ano, parang Happy Gorge. Yan. Explore tayo dito. Ito yung historical na kuhan, tunnel. So, explore tayo dito. Yan. Node tayo sa mga view. So, yan. Let's go! So, daan mga tayo sa kuhan. Daan tayo sa ano? Daan tayo sa bridge. Itong scenic bridge. Ito yung scenic bridge nila. Mamaya manonood tayo dito. Pasok na tayo sa tunnel. So ito sa tunnel. Pagayin natin ito yung tunnel. Ilaw tayo, ilaw. Madilim. Parang shade pala. Madilim. Kaya itong shade. Dito natin ulit. Isang kilometrong bike. Sa wakas nakarating din nakalabas. Yun, kita nyo naman ang view. Kita nyo naman ang view guys.
She was out there alone on the highway. She had a broken wing, she's trying to hide. And I was much too old to act on a feeling. But then again, I ain't never had someone to hold. I wrote songs for a mockingbird. Take 'em all, leave 'em, I know that she heard. Songs for a mockingbird. Looking at me, she sang every word. Songs for a mockingbird. Oh, you give and you take and you live and you learn. Songs for a mockingbird. Oh.
Ano ito ba yan? May kuranan day. O isa day ka 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Woo! Oh, dala na ang ano? River. Oh, we are here.
Apit na ta sa quad.
We are here. Ng river. Oh, hello.
Smaller train size.
Ah,
I'm just eyeballing what's the differences in the train. Excuse me for a moment, guys.
yeah. No.
Brilliant, thank you. My daughter has children. They're good bikes, aren't they?
Yeah.
So something more.
Yeah, good. Mani real to ni. Dito na tayo sa real. Historical real. Diba? Ang mga kuwan pa dito, mga bakas ng nakaraan, oh. Galing. Ito tayo. Pasok tayo. Yeah. Pasok tayo dito, guys. Ito yun, oh.
Feathers in my hair and braids around my waist. I'm almost a bird. These mountain views and pink sunsets got me shedding skin. Ooh, we all strive to be more. We all long for viva la vida. Around the corner I'll meet you, a bit lighter and freer. I'm so happy to
Basig na may nabilin pang gold ya atong makuha. Ano lang. Buhato na to kuan, buhato na to Arios. Aritis yan. Parang maze dito ah. Oh, dito, may daan dito. Yeah. Katakot naman din eh. Oh. Takot naman din eh. Yan. Oh. Ito yung kuwan. Let's go back to that other scene. Naman tayo. Yan. Hindi lang tayo nag-exercise, nag-explore in the nature, na kuhan din natin yung mga history. Nakikita din natin yung mga history ng paggawa nila ng gold, diba? Double purpose din. Mga natira pa nilang mga gear. Daan na tayo sa may palaan tayo sa tulay.
Time is moving fast. I am moving slow. All the days that passed had nowhere to go. I watched them slip away as far as I can see. I let them roll astray. It did not bother me. The sun is shining through every window pane. It's bathing you in light, so why should I complain? If there should ever be
Ano mo, may small falls oh. Wala panis na falls, di ba? Tingnan mo lang ng falls yan. Ayan. Tingnan mo ang falls. Falls. Panis. Falls.
She was out there alone on the highway. She had a broken wing, she's trying to hide. And I was much too old to act on the feeling. But then again, I ain't never had someone to hold. I wrote songs